It gives me immense pleasure to introduce Michael Karasasa. He doesn't need any introduction. He was the state vice president for Shiv Sena, two-time chairperson and four-time councillor of the Mapusa Municipal Council. He is the incumbent president of the Mapusa Comunidade 2019 to 2022. We welcome you into the party, and he is known for his social work. He doesn't need any introduction. I don't need to say any further. मुझे बड़ी प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि माइकल कुराशा साहब जो प्रदेश के पूर्व शिवसेना के उपाध्यक्ष रहे हैं, 2 बार अध्यक्ष और 4 बार मापुसा म्युनिसिपल काउंसिल के काउंसिलर रहे हैं। इस समय वह अध्यक्ष है मापुसा कम्युनिडाडे 2019 से 2022 तक। आपका पार्टी में हम हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं और आप एक बहुत ही अच्छे समाज सेवी रहे हैं। राजनीति से भी आपका बहुत लंबा जुड़ाव रहा है। एक बार पुनः आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आपसे अनुरोध करूंगा कि कृपया
आज श्री मायकल कोरोसा आपल्याला जॉईन करत आहे टीएमसी मध्ये। ते आधी राज्याचे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट होते शिवसेनेचे, त्याच्यानंतर इज बीन अ 2 टाइम स्पोक चेअरपर्सन आणि 4 टाइम काउन्सिलर ऑफ मापुसा म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिल। सध्या ते मापुसा कम्युनिडाडेचे सिटिंग प्रेसिडेंट आहेत। मापुसामध्ये यांनी जेवढं काम केलेलं आहे लोकांनी स्वतः आपल्या डोळ्यांनी बघितलेलं आहे। यांची लीडरशिप मापुसामध्ये ॲक्सेसिबल लीडर, जे कोण ज्यांना कोण समस्या असते ज्यांच्याकडे मिस्टर करोसोंकडे येतात आणि ते आपल्या व्यवस्थित पद्धतीने सॉल्व्ह करतात। लोकांचा यांच्याकडे प्रचंड पाठिंबा आहे आणि आज आम्हाला अभिमान आहे की ते तृणमूल परिवाराचा भाग होण्यासाठी आज आमच्याबरोबर जॉईन करत आहेत। थँक्यू व्हेरी मच मिस्टर करोसो।
प्लीज वेलकम वेलकम वेलकम।
You please hold the flag.
Give one order.
Sir. Don't.
Okay. इंडक्ट अभी पहले सबको करेंगे,
सबको इंडक्ट बोलेंगे नहीं, फर्स्ट इंडक्ट
प्लीज एक एक करके बता दीजिए।
बदले तंगा कोई नहीं टाइम वी कैन इंडक्ट दोस वाले
नाम बताइएगा।
संतोष मांजरेकर वो पुढे जो पुढे असो पुढे ये इसमें आएगा
नहीं आ जाएगा।
ये पुढे असो यान को you put on तो पुढे आप प्रवीण नाइक
प्रवीण नाइक जी
ये लेके जाइए आप साथ में।
प्रवीण भटकेकर
You also get your flag. Next.
It is already joined.
Okay. You have already joined. Okay.
अब I'll request Michael Karaso साहब to say a few words.
Good afternoon. I would like to thank the TMC party for giving me such a warm welcome in joining the party. First and foremost, I would like to brief you that why I have decided to join TMC. TMC is a party which has a difference. The thing is, Goa had not experienced TMC in the past, and Goa has experienced Congress as well as the BJP. But looking at the ruling of the Congress and BJP, Goan felt there is the need of a third party to come in because both these parties have not fared well in the past when they were governing Goa. So looking at that, I also felt that Goa requires some changes. And when TMC got launched in Goa, they came up with 3 different schemes which was appreciated by the people of Goa. The Griha Lakshmi scheme, then the Yuva Shakti scheme and the housing scheme. This is well accepted by the people of Goa and it's going all around and a lot of people have been registering themselves. So that was the time some of my grassroots workers said that TMC is offering a good scheme, why don't we try them out? So that was when I started thinking of TMC. Then all of a sudden somebody approached me and said, why don't you join us? Then I said, I'm in the Congress for so long, but I was never treated the way a congressman should be treated. I was never given a post or anything, although I was there for the past 25 years. I was always trying to be the block president, but nobody allowed me to become the block president. Today also, like I was somebody recommended my name for the district committee, there also like I was pulled out from there. So looking at the ill treatment that I had with the Congress, so I said, why not build up TMC party in Goa and be one of their office bearers so that I could carry on the flag of TMC all over Goa. So that is why I have joined TMC as of now.
You was in Shiv Sena?
I was in Shiv Sena for a brief spell of about 6 months. That was during 2017.
Okay.
That I was the vice president of Goa.
Why you left Congress and joined Shiv Sena that time?
That time what had happened, the Congress was never recognizing me and Shiv Sena had offered me a ticket in MAPSA to contest. So they wanted me to contest in MAPSA. But then what had happened is they had an alliance with the BSM. So BSM was given to, MAPSA was given to BSM. So I couldn't contest it. So they were telling me to contest in some other constituency which I refused.
Now you are aspirant candidate of MAPSA, TMC.
See, I have just joined TMC as of now. I have decided to work for TMC. If TMC feels that I am fit or maybe I could be one of their candidates, then I could consider the proposal.
He's joined without any condition.
Okay.
And the kind of record that he has had over the years with the people, and that all we know about it, has been exemplary. Meaning otherwise you can't be a 4-time councillor and twice a chairman. So that speaks volumes of a person's political work that is on the field.
And he's also taken on a lot of risks.
You said you have joined because of the schemes, you said.
The schemes I found out were welcome by the people of Goa, and most of the people of Goa started registering themselves for those schemes. So I said, if these schemes are taking all the people together, then why don't we lead them and see that they achieve whatever they are trying to achieve. So that is why I said I'll come forward and see that all the people achieve the schemes. Maybe some might not be qualified. There will be some criteria where all 100% cannot be qualified. So we have to go through that. And so those who can get qualified for the scheme, then we'll see that they get it.
Also, Mr. Carrasco has faced a lot of violence. His supporters, for the good work that he's doing, there have been 100 barriers in his way, and he still managed to surmount all of that and keeps doing what he does.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.